explain what happens when volcanoes erupt. This topic is very interesting, so keep on watching. Before we start, let us have a short review about our previous lesson. If you haven't watched our week 1 lesson, you may check the link in the description box below. For our review, let us have word scrambles. Identify the word being described by the following statements and arrange the jumble sentence. Let us start. The first word is
Okay, what is this?
Volcano.
these are natural openings in the Earth's surface where molten rocks, smoke, gases, and ashes are ejected. The correct answer is volcano.
Volcano na. Natural opening in the Earth's surface. O parang circle din natin. So, pag mountain rocks, pag nasa sulod na sulod sa volcano. Pag maanay ha, pag ituwas, pagiging, dapat na siya.
That is right. The second word. It is a funnel shape that emerges at the top of a volcano formed as a result of explosive eruption.
What is that?
Heart.
Ha? Ano siya? Ha? Correct. That is a crater. Pag sinabing crater, pagbaksan, volcano, ang lahat ng tawag na crater. Okay?
The correct answer is crater. That is right. The third word.
This one. I-arrange mo siya. Sabo, isa mga kasi. Ha? Yan. Correct. That is caldera. Sa caldera.
It is a volcanic crater that is formed when a crater collapses, founding an explosive eruption. Caldera. Correct. Next.
Magma.
Pag nakasunod ka lang siya, magma. Pag inuwas, okay, lagi na.
These are molten rocks inside the Earth. The correct answer is magma. Excellent, class. Magma that has been injected out of the volcano is called lava. That's right. Good job, class. Good work. It seems that you really understand our lesson. That's the key to our lesson. Look at the picture showing.
Manila.
Dili, nari na kami sa
Sa Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Na type of volcano. Ano para sa ano?
Taal. Volcan. Ito sa kon sa Baybay ko nakikita mo. Makikita mo pero kung malayo sa Baybay.
So, ang nakita niyo is clusters of volcano. Kanino mo? Volcano siya. Hindi naman, volcano. And volcano. So, napalimutan sa mga volcano. Alright. So, this is composed of volcano.
Volcan an mayon pang babayan.
So, hindi ko alam tawag siya.
Kasi may babayan na
Ang
lang.
papangalan ng volcano? Crater. Ano mag-maximum ba siya?
In your screen right now. Are you familiar with this image? This is the breathtaking scenery at Taal Lake, and the Philippine Island of Luzon, really Batangas, makes it one of the country's most popular tourist destinations.
And we found in Batangas, Philippines. Pero din siya nakatutok sa Batangas. Parang naniwala siya. Ang Bicol is sa Batangas. Tapos ang Bicol at sa Albuquerque. Pero ang Pilipinas siya.
Nowadays, this volcano shows volcanic activity. The Philippines is known for its diverse natural resources and picturesque sceneries like mountains and volcanoes. Having these in the country is not surprising because Philippines is situated far apart from the Pacific Ring of Fire.
Yan. So nanaw kaya ang Pilipinas ng Mosquito Volcano? Because it is natural. Natural lang na yung volcano kasi nakikita niyo din na red. Yeah? Kasi the Pacific Ring of Fire. Ang nasa ilalim sa lang, puro yan ng magma. Okay? And, yung magma, ang yan siya sa Bicol. Ang Pilipinas pa daw, halos 98% puro naka-include siya sa Pacific Ring of Fire. Mas lalo Japan. Ano ba sa Pacific Ring of Fire? Kaya, kung kita ko niyo, mas madalas nakaka-experience at Japan sa tsunami. Ano yun? Takot na? Pero sa Pilipinas, hira. Or wala ka tayo sa palahat na tsunami. Kasi bulbul kita sa lahat. Yan. Ano pa? May ako kami sa'yo. Isa sa baba, mga kaili, nanakawan natin yung okay?
Which is characterized by frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Most active volcanoes on Earth are located in the circumference of the Pacific Ring of Fire. And again, Philippines is included. Did you know that our country has more than 100 volcanoes as of 2014, making us known as the home of many volcanoes?
Yan, sabi daw, Pilipinas is the home of volcanoes. Kasi nung tawag ka, kung kanya makikita sa ating bansa. Hindi lang nasa lupa, pero igutan kita sa underwater. Dito sa nasa ilong sa dagat, may lutan ka. No?
There are several ways in which volcanoes can be classified. One of these is according to its starting eruption. So, let's have the first classification. It is called active volcano. It is a volcano that has had at least one record eruption during the past 10,000 years. Many erupted and have shown volcanic activity. An active volcano might be erupting or dormant. When we say dormant, it is an active volcano that is not erupting but supposed to erupt again. And according to T-Box, there are 24 active volcanoes in the country. That is a lot.
Ang T-Box, kung sa Bagyo, nagka-record is pag-asa. Pero ang T-Box naman sa mga earthquake and volcano. Ang T-Box, ang meaning of T-Box is Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Okay. Ano na meaning sa T-Box? Ano na meaning sa